everyone, myself Ayushika Chetri, student from class 10 from Bigmat Senior Secondary School. I am here to present working model of low-cost hand sanitizer in this science exhibition, and we are going to present it in detail. So before going through this, I'd like to give a brief introduction to hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer, also called hand drop or hand agent, applied to the hand for the purpose of removing common pathogens, disease or causing organisms. Hand sanitizer typically come in foam or liquid or in gel, and their use is recommended when soap and water are not available for hand washing. Although the effectiveness of hand sanitizer is variable, it is employed as a simple means of infection control in a wide variety, and people may incorrectly wipe off hand sanitizer before it has dried. So, types of hand sanitizer. Depending on active ingredient used, hand sanitizer can be classified as one of two types: alcohol-based and alcohol-free. Alcohol-based products typically contain between 60 and 95% alcohol using form of ethanol. Alcohol-free products are generally based on disinfection such as triclosan, and many sanitizers also contain enrobment that smoothie the skin and fragrance. So this much from me. Now my fellow friend will continue on this topic. Thank you.
I'm Diksha Chetri of class 10 of Bigma Senior Secondary School, South Sikkim. So now I would like to continue the explanation of the project by saying the working model of this model. So hand sanitizer works to kill viruses not as well as soap and water. It has at least 60% of alcohol in it. The alcohol works immediately and effectively to kill bacteria and most of the viruses. Hand sanitizers provide a convenient and effective way to clean hands if soap and water isn't available. So now our model of low-cost hand sanitizer works as when we press on the pump button, the sanitizer comes out through a pipe which is attached with a press here button and which has been taken out through the top of the model. So inside this whole model, it consists of a bottle of hand sanitizer which is kept just behind the pump and the internal floating pipe which has been taken out through the top of the model. So when sanitizer is squeezed in our hand, it works as a main shield for many viruses. Most commercial sanitizers are 99.9% effective to kill germs. Many diseases are spread through not cleaning our hands properly. After touching contaminated objects or surfaces. So by using such those hand sanitizers and disinfectant substances, we can overcome through this harmful and dangerous viruses. So now I would like to call my friend Dipti Chetri to give the remaining parts and for the conclusion.
Hello everyone, myself Dipti Chetri, student of class 10 from Bigma Senior Secondary School, South Sikkim. I am saying to effectiveness and conclusion. So, effectiveness of hand sanitizers depends on the multiple factors, include in a manner which is produced is applied. Like example, quantity used, direction of exposure, frequency of use, and whether that signifies infections agents. In general, alcohol-based hand sanitizer is rubbed thoroughly over the finger and hand surface from a period of 30 seconds. The most hand sanitizers, however, are relatively ineffective against the bacterial spores. This dispute the variable in ineffectiveness, and hand sanitizer can be used to control the transmission of infectious diseases. So conclusion. Although not all germs are bad, illness can be through the body of eyes and mouth. That's why it is important to use use the sanitize for our hand key times. Thank you.